Yeah, so I have here the JBL XTREME2 Bluetooth speaker, and I want to show you how to pair this to your smartphone. And this can be Android or iPhone, and we start here by going to the settings menu. You find there Bluetooth and you enable Bluetooth here. So this is like the first step. So when Bluetooth is enabled, then you will see here this list eventually of items that you have previously connected to. And then down here on the bottom, that's where we are going to look for this XTREME2 to appear in a second. And we do this by pushing here the power button. This is here the left button in the middle, and it immediately here starts blinking for me in blue. And that means that it is trying to pair to something via Bluetooth. And we select then here the JBL XTREME2 from the list on our phone, and it immediately pairs to the speaker. So now in case it does not appear in the list, then you have here on the left side this Bluetooth icon on top of the speaker. You don't want to mistake that by this icon here. This is something different. The Bluetooth button here is on the left, and you just push this briefly, and then that will put the XTREME2 speaker into pairing mode again, and you see that by this blinking blue power button here. That means it's trying to pair to something again. But in this case, it is already paired to the phone here, so it's not going to pair again. And now, since we are successfully paired, we just go here to our music app, and now we can just play our favorite music here. So this is really easy. And now what do you do the next time when you want to use it again? So after you turn it off and you turn it back on, then you just turn on the speaker, and as long as the Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone, it will automatically connect again. Okay, yeah, so I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, then please leave a comment below, and don't forget to check out my other JBL videos.